You guys have got a 311 coming. Hold on, there we go, got a good shot. Stop doing that, you idiot. You, Lucy. Right, we've got 331-103. Nice new livery. Nice new livery, guys. Right, these are tinted windows. Nearly everyone's wearing a mask. I like that. I love that. I absolutely love that sound. Don't know why, it just sounds good. Right, we'll keep you updated. Okay, you guys, so we've got 331-103. This thing's getting ready to go. So I will. There is another one meant to be coming. I'll keep you guys updated to see what happens. I've taken my mask off a little bit because I wanted to get a good shot. But this is exclusive camera work. That was dumb camera work actually. But I will keep you updated to see what happens with this. This thing's leaving now. That's leaving. 331-103 coming in clutch. That was nice. First train. We are here at like 2 o'clock, so it's alright, but there goes that thing. And while we're waiting for it is one to come from that way to this way. Okay, peace out. Right, you guys, could you film me? Could you film me, please, Lucy? Could you film me? Just saying hi to the video. Okay, hi. You guys, so what's up? So, we are here at Guiseley. Can you show them that Guiseley sign, please, Lucy? If you look, you can see Guiseley. We are here. Lucy, don't get too close to the railway. Come back here now. We're here at 2 minutes to 3. Lucy's on camera because she's being dumb, so she deserves it. But we're just about to do our thing with the stained glass. Look at that thing. Right. Bad man. So we're just hanging about in a train station playing. Oh, and I can bend this. I can bend this. You can hear that. Did you hear that, guys? Like, ah! That's strange. I'm gonna get exclusive camera shots. Yeah. There's birds, weird. If you guys can see me from up here, can you guys see me? Can you see me? I don't think you can. I don't think you can. I'll get a little bit of a lower for it. Right, you guys. So that couldn't fit on there. I'll just I'll just put it like. I'm just gonna wander around the station. You can't tell what I'm saying because I've got a mask on. I'll take my mask off. So you guys, what we're going to do today, I'm going to try and spot trains really, but I see something coming. Daddy, it's coming. Daddy, it's coming. I need to get into place. I'm tired. Right, Dad, get out of the way of the exclusive camera shot. Oh, hi Lucy, have you come to join me? Right. You ready to get that exclusive camera shot? 333-014. It'd be cool if this driver honked at me, that'd be way cool. Right, that's one train. 333-014. Right, this train's just about to leave. I'm gonna go for this shot. So now get early. Lucy, you might be on camera. But that scared me. There we go, that's one train. One train. That's another one. Lucy, let's get an interview about that honk. Did that scare you? It scared me too. Don't worry. Okay, so what are you going to teach them, Lucy?
Hold on. I just know. Hold on, really tight.
You hold on to this really tight. So tell the audience what. So you've just done it. Tell the audience what you're going to be doing.
I'm going to be putting all my.
So she's basically going to be floating. Yeah. I will step back a little bit. Right, go. Okay, cool. I like that. Right, do you want to pause the camera? Okay, I'm going to do a little cool pose for the video. You guys, Lucy did it again. And look what she did. She completely, she completely bent it. That's weird. Shut up. Stupid thingy. Got Lucy to wear my mask.